Good day, our angels. Welcome to your definitive weekly network briefing. We have a massive slate of updates coming straight from ecosystem headquarters, from infrastructure overhauls to brand new media drops. Here is everything you need to know to navigate the network and stay optimized. The definitive blueprint for digital architecture and creator workflows is officially available. If you're ready to claim digital streamline your operations, the Aura Strategy PDF manual is with. Head directly over to the official website and navigate to the digital shop and manual section on the platform. Select the All Strategy manual and proceed to the checkout terminal. We have completely overhauled our checkout ecosystem to give you maximum flexibility and security. You can now clear your invoice using 3 streamlined pipelines. Cryptocurrency, fast, secure, and fully decentralized for global compliance, and wire transfer for seamless and direct to bank positioning, and secure card payments, standard and fully encrypted debit processing for instant checkout. Once your transaction clears, the full PDF manual will be delivered directly to your digital asset locker for immediate download. The R terminal has received major efficiency updates this week. Here is your clean step-by-step navigation guide to running the ecosystem smoothly. Streamlined registration. Log in via the primary network link. We have officially stripped away the clutter. Social media ID requirements have been removed. Your phone number is now your primary active for secure direct network access. The centralized dashboard. Once you're inside, you will see the core control panel. This is the central station for digital infrastructure tools, workflow automations, and creator assets. The resource folks. This is where your acquired manual, strategy guides, and downloadable technical assets live. If you purchase the Aura Strategy, it will be permanently anchored there for active deployment. Community channels. Connect directly with fellow Aura angels. Monitor the global announcement board for daily real-time collaborative opportunities. Set your alert and clear your schedule. A brand new episode of the Story Before the Music podcast is officially dropping this Friday. This week, we're diving deep into the raw melody, creative friction, and strategic architecture that happens behind closed doors, even before the master tracks ever hits the public space. Expect zero fluff, pure insights, and an honest breakdown of a creative. Available across our primary channels and linked directly with the Aura terminal feed. The ecosystem is heading fast and optimization never ceases. Ensure your terminal notifications settings are active and your phone contacts data is up to date so you do not miss a single system update. assets drop, or community broadcast. Stay sharp. Lock in your digital architecture, and we'll see you inside the terminal.